You all will get this message on your registered mobile number regarding your admission numbers, date of birth, phone number, parent password, also a link to the application. Just click on the link to the application, then follow the procedure. I will explain all the procedure here in this video only. After clicking on the link on the application, it will open to Vyasanagar Public School, or you can directly try it from the Play Store only. You can type the Vyasanagar Public School, you will get the application, install it, open it. After opening the application, it will show you three options: admin, teacher, parents. All the students are clearly instructed to go to the parent section. Click on the admission number, put a admission number here, VPSS 0102021. It's an example only, don't try this only. Okay, you enter your own admission number and date of birth. 72006. Then your registered mobile number, then your parents password. The parent password, I think I have to go to the 915986 915986. Then input your login. Click on the login. The login is successful. Your name will be visible here on the front page only. You can click on the name. You can go to the homework, classwork, assignments, activities, syllabus, report card, exam, open exam app, or in the home button you can get all the details for notifications, any notification you want, or online classes. You can join the online classes from directly from here. You have to put the date and search on the online schedule. Online class of the set date will be available there. Okay, there is nothing issue in this login only. You can directly input all the admission number here given here, date of birth, phone number, registered phone number, parent password will be given here. Please follow the instruction, please follow the video. You can successfully log into your mobile application of the school. Thank you very much.